Hello friends, today we're going to be making some really simple and really innovative hairstyles. So for this first one, just go ahead and follow the instructions and curl it inwards. Then you can go ahead and twist that in and pull it through the original style that you made, and look at how beautiful that turns out to be. Now let's go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, you can just go ahead and create this really simple and super easy hairstyle. So for that, you can just go ahead, section the hair into two halves. Then you can go ahead and create a simple 3-pleat braid that you roll inwards and tuck it into either edge on the opposite side. Then go ahead and add an embellishment pin, and look at how beautiful that was. Now let's go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, you go ahead and create a twisting rope braid. With that, you can just go ahead and continue taking hair along the edges as you go. Then continue creating the rope braid and stick it through the middle. Then tie through the middle and then create a low ponytail with the remaining hair. Create that into a bun and pin that upwards with an embellishing pin, and look at how beautiful that looks. Now for this next one, you're going to go ahead, take two sections from the front and tie them at the back. Then you can go ahead and continue doing that for the rest of the hair. Once you reach the middle point where the hair meets the neck, you can go ahead and create a 3-pleat braid for the rest of the hair. Tuck the 3-pleat braid upwards by pulling it upwards through using this tool. Then go ahead and add in some embellishing pins, and look at how gorgeous that turned out to be. Now for this next one, we're going to go ahead and create a really simple hairstyle. So for this, you're going to create a 3-pleat braid out of small pieces of hair. Then you can go ahead and carve that into a heart, and look at how beautiful that is. Now for this next one, you're going to take hair in the middle and then bring that through the center and curve it inwards. Then once you've inverted the rest of the hair as well, tuck it into the original structure that you created. Embellish it, and look at how gorgeous this is. Now for this next one, you're going to go ahead and take in pieces of hair and tie them on the opposite end of this head. Then you're going to go repeat that but on the opposite side for the remainder of the hair, and look at how beautiful that turned out to be. Now let's go ahead and make the next one. So for this next one, you're going to go ahead and create a really cool, simple, easy hairstyle. For that, just go ahead and invert the hair pieces and then create a low ponytail at the back. Then you can go ahead and create a short 3-pleat braid and then go ahead and tuck that upwards with an embellishing pin. And look at how beautiful that turns out to be. Now for this next one, you're going to use sections on the side of the face and then pin that backwards using a rubber band. With that, create a low ponytail for the rest of the hair and twist that upwards into a bun. Doesn't that look amazing? Now this one is for short-haired girly. Use a bun embellisher that you can use to create volume, and look at how beautiful and voluminous that hair looks. Now for this next one, you're going to go ahead and create a really simple hairstyle where you tie either end of the hair on the opposite end of the head. Then you can go ahead and create a low bun on the rest of the hair, and look at how beautiful that turns out to be. Now for this next one, you're going to go ahead and take in sections from the hair on the side and turn that into a low ponytail. With that, go ahead and create a bun, and look at how beautiful that is. Now for this next part, you're going to go ahead, take in pieces of your hair, and then you can go ahead and tie that into a low ponytail using a voluminous scrunchie. Thank you so much for watching today's video.